Gentlemen, once you hit 40, the way you dress says more about you than ever before. It's not about trends, and it's definitely not about trying to look younger. It's about wearing clothes that make you look refined, confident, and honestly, just effortless. But, here's the problem. Most men over 40 are getting it wrong, not in the obvious ways like wearing graphic tees or baggy cargo pants, but in the subtle details that are quietly making them look sloppy, outdated, or like they're trying too hard. So today, I'm breaking down the hidden style killers, the things that are ruining your look without you even realizing it. And, more importantly, I'll tell you exactly what to wear instead. So let's get into it. The wrong watch for the wrong occasion. A watch is more than just a timepiece. It's one of the only accessories a man truly owns. It's a signal of your style, your status, and your attention to detail. And yet, most guys don't think about their watch as part of their outfit. They just throw on the same watch every day regardless of what they're wearing, and hope for the best. A cheap, bulky sports watch with a suit that throws off your entire look. A flashy, oversized gold watch with a casual polo and jeans. It makes you look like you're trying too hard. A tiny, outdated dress watch that barely fits your wrist, that makes you look old and out of touch. What you need to understand is that watches should be intentional. The right watch completes your outfit. The wrong one makes you look like you have no clue what you're doing. If you're in a formal setting, a business meeting, a wedding, a dinner party, you need something classic and understated. A thin dress watch with a leather strap, something with a clean face and no unnecessary bulk. Think of a Cartier tank or a simple Omega de Ville. For everyday smart casual wear, a stainless steel sports watch works perfectly. Not a giant heavy one that looks like it belongs on a Navy SEAL, but something balanced and refined. The Rolex Datejust, Omega Aquaterra, or a Grand Seiko. These are watches that say, I know exactly what I'm doing. And when it comes to fitness watches or digital watches, keep them where they belong, in the gym. Wearing an Apple Watch or a Garmin tracker with a dress shirt and blazer instantly downgrades your look. It's like wearing running shoes with a tuxedo. It just doesn't belong. Once you get this right, your entire style gets an upgrade without you even realizing it. A great watch is like a perfectly tailored suit. It works in the background, making everything else look better. Jeans that are too soft or too stretchy. A common mistake men make when they hit 40 is they start prioritizing comfort over structure. It makes sense. You want clothes that feel good, that move well, that don't restrict you. But here's where that thinking backfires. A lot of jeans today are made with so much stretch that they barely feel like denim anymore. They're thin, they lose their shape after a few wears, and worst of all, they make your legs look soft. And when your jeans look soft, you look soft. The other mistake, going too far in the other direction and wearing loose baggy jeans because they feel comfortable. What you need is a structured pair of jeans that holds its shape, something that still feels good but doesn't collapse the second you sit down. The best option is raw, or selvedge, denim. These types of jeans might feel a little stiff at first, but over time they mold to your body and give you a sharp, clean look without looking too tight. Alright, let's dive into dress shirts that are too thin or too shiny. You know, if there's one thing that instantly makes a man look less put together, it's a cheap-looking dress shirt. The problem is, most guys don't even realize when their shirt looks bad. They think a dress shirt is just a dress shirt, but that couldn't be further from the truth. A common mistake is wearing shirts that are too thin. These shirts wrinkle easily, they're see-through under certain lighting, and worst of all, they don't hold their shape. You might think you're wearing something clean and professional, but in reality, you just look unpolished. Now, let's talk about the second issue, a shiny, synthetic finish. If your dress shirt has that almost plastic-looking sheen to it, it screams cheap rental tuxedo. It doesn't matter if it fits well, if the fabric looks low quality, so do you. Moving on to blazers, a poorly fitting blazer, even if it's expensive, can ruin your look. A blazer is one of the most powerful pieces a man over 40 can own. It instantly sharpens your appearance, giving you a structured, intentional look. But the problem is, most men get the fit completely wrong. They assume that if a blazer is expensive, it will automatically look good, but price means nothing if the fit is off. Patterned or novelty socks. There was a time when novelty socks were considered a fun way to show personality. Maybe in your 20s or 30s you could get away with it, but once you're over 40, they make you look like you're trying too hard to be playful or quirky. Socks with cartoon characters, crazy prints, or bright neon colors don't add sophistication to your outfit. Instead, they create a distracting, almost childish look that clashes with an otherwise refined appearance. A lot of men think socks don't matter because they're a small detail, but details are exactly what separate a well-dressed man from everyone else. Socks should complement your outfit, not take attention away from it. The goal is to create a seamless, polished look from top to bottom. Glasses that don't match your face shape. If you wear glasses, they aren't just for vision, they're part of your style. They frame your face, dictate the balance of your features, and can either enhance your overall look or completely throw it off. But most men don't think about their glasses as a style piece. The most common mistake: wearing glasses that don't fit your face shape. A round face with round glasses, that makes your face look even rounder. Glasses on a strong masculine face, that weaken your entire presence. Overly soft or worn-out leather shoes. Your shoes say everything about you before you even open your mouth. They're one of the first things people notice, and if you're over 40, wearing the wrong shoes can instantly downgrade your entire look. Belts that don't match the outfit. A belt is one of those accessories most men completely overlook. They think it's just there to hold up their pants, but in reality, it's a small detail that has a huge impact on your overall look. The most common mistake: wearing the wrong belt with the wrong outfit. If you're wearing a suit, you need a sleek, understated belt that matches your shoes. That means a slim leather belt in black or brown. Nothing too thick, nothing with an oversized buckle. If you wear a chunky, casual belt with a suit, it instantly throws off the balance of your outfit. Polo shirts that are too long or too short. A polo shirt is a wardrobe essential for men over 40, but only if it fits correctly. Unfortunately, this is where most guys get it wrong. Some men wear polo shirts that are way too long, hanging past their hips and covering half their thighs. When this happens, it completely throws off your proportions, making your legs look shorter and your torso look awkwardly long. It creates a sloppy, unstructured look that does the opposite of what a polo is supposed to do. Too many accessories at once. There's a fine line between looking well accessorized and looking like a man going through a midlife crisis. Some guys think piling on accessories will make them look stylish. Stacked bracelets, oversized rings, multiple necklaces, a big flashy watch, all at the same time. But instead of looking sophisticated, they just look like they're trying too hard. Here's the thing: less is more when it comes to accessories. Accessories should add subtle depth to your outfit, not take over your entire look. A well-dressed man over 40 needs only a few high-quality pieces. A great watch, not too flashy, not too bulky, just well-built and elegant. A minimal bracelet, a simple leather or beaded bracelet works if it fits your personality, but skip the cheap rubber or string ones. A signature ring or a simple silver or gold band. If you wear rings, they should be understated and purposeful, not oversized biker-style jewelry. A clean, structured belt, nothing loud, nothing that screams designer. If you're layering multiple pieces, make sure they work together. A classic steel watch with a leather bracelet, that works, but a watch, 2 rings, 3 bracelets, and a heavy chain necklace, that looks like a midlife crisis. Think of accessories like seasoning in a meal. Just enough enhances the look, too much ruins it. Cheap-looking outerwear. You know, a lot of men treat their outerwear as an afterthought, just something to throw on for warmth, but in reality, it's actually one of the most powerful pieces in their wardrobe. The biggest mistake? Wearing cheap-looking, unstructured or synthetic outerwear, like a thin, flimsy polyester jacket. It makes you look like you don't care about details. Or maybe a bulky, oversized puffer jacket in an outdated style. It just makes you look larger and out of proportion. And then, there's the synthetic faux leather jacket that shines unnaturally under light. That's a dead giveaway of cheap construction. If you want to look refined and masculine, your outerwear really needs structure. It should frame your shoulders, complement your body shape, and make your outfit look intentional. The best options for men over 40? A wool overcoat in navy, charcoal, or camel. Perfect over a suit but also works with a sweater and jeans. A tailored trench coat, timeless, elegant, and functional. Or a suede or waxed cotton jacket, a stylish alternative for casual wear that looks 10 times better than synthetic options. And of course, a high-quality leather jacket, bomber or cafe racer style, fitted properly and made from real leather that ages well. And let's talk fit. Outerwear should be structured, the length should be intentional, and the fit should be clean. When done right, your outerwear becomes a statement of sophistication, not just something you throw on because it's cold outside. Looking sharp isn't about following trends, it's about mastering the details that separate a well-dressed man from the rest. When you get these right, you don't just look better, you carry yourself differently, people take you more seriously, and you exude confidence without even trying. And listen, investing in quality clothing is one of the smartest decisions you can make. That's why I've put together a list of some of the best options for polos, blazers, denim, leather shoes, and outerwear, the kind of essentials that instantly upgrade your wardrobe. You'll find everything linked in the description below. Yes, some of these pieces are on the pricier side, but trust me, they're worth it. Instead of buying cheap clothes over and over, invest in pieces that last. If you want even more ways to level up your style, make sure to check out this next video where I break down the must-have wardrobe staples for men over 40.